Moi kaikki! Tässä videossa we will go over 4 choruses of 4 songs that will be in the upcoming UMK song contest here in Finland. So for those of you that don't know what UMK is, it stands for Uuden Musiikin Kilpailu, meaning Uuden Musiikin, new musics, uusi, new, uuden, new, musiikin, musics, kilpailu, contest. So this UMK song contest is a song contest held here in Finland in Turku, in which 7 finalists compete to be the Finnish representative for that year's Eurovision Song Contest. If you're not from Europe, you might be wondering, what is the Eurovision Song Contest, or the Euroviisut? Basically, that is a song contest held in Europe where each country sends in a representative for their country and they represent that country in the contest, and then the public can vote, and there's it's like this big show that's held each year in May, and all the European countries compete against each other to see who has the best song that year, and then the winner will be the host country that next year. So last year Ukraine won, but they're unable to host this year, so the second place was UK, so this year it will be in Liverpool. So if you're looking for some Finnish music recommendations, I'll leave the link to all 7 of the songs in the description box so you can check those out. So this year's UMK is hosted by a guy called Samu Haber. So he was, or I guess would still be considered, the singer from the Finnish band Sunrise Avenue, if you've heard of that. 4 out of these 7 songs are in Finnish, and I just thought it could be fun and relevant to go over and translate the choruses of the 4 songs. So first we have a song titled Samaa taivasta katsotaan by the artist group Portion Boys. So the title means Samaa taivasta katsotaan, we are looking at the same sky. So sama, the same, taivasta, sky, katsotaan, we are looking. The chorus starts off by Mut meidän maassa nöyrinä kuljetaan. Mut is the shortened form of mutta, but, meidän, our, maassa, country, in our country, nöyrinä, so to be nöyrä is to be humble. Kuljetaan is to like go around, to walk around, travel around. So basically what that sentence means is, but in our country we are humble, or we go around being humble. The next line is eikä paljon puhellakaan. So eikä, paljon, and not a lot. So paljon means a lot of something, so not a lot. Puhellakaan, to talk. So, and don't talk a lot. Very Finnish, right? Then the next line says tiedät Kimi Räikkösen. Tiedät is do you know, or you know. Kimi Räikkönen is a name, so maybe you've heard of him. Kimi Räikkönen is a famous Finnish Formula 1 driver. So it's just asking you, do you know Kimi Räikkönen? Then the next line is se voitti Formula 1. So se, like I think previously mentioned on my channel, se is the puhekieli form of hän. So in this case it means he. So he voitti. Voitti is the past tense of voittaa, to win. Again, if a verb has an I at the end, it is a hint that it could be in the past tense. So he won, and then Formula 1, he won the Formula 1. So ykkösen, won. Vaikka ollaan eri puolilta Eurooppaa. Vaikka, even though, ollaan is the puhekieli form of olemme, so we are. even though we are. So ollaan is in passive, but for we forms in puhekieli, Finnish people often use the passive form. So even though we are, eri puolilta, eri from different, puolilta, puoli is half. So even though we're from different halves or different sides, so the LTA is kind of referring from Eurooppaa, so Europe, even though we're from different sides of Europe. Ja vaikka eri polkuja kuljetaankin, ja vaikka, and even though, eri polkuja, different paths, so a polku is a path. Kuljetaankin means to travel, so even though we travel different paths, niin muistetaan, niin, so, muistetaan. Let's remember, to muistaa something is to remember something. Muistetaan is let us remember, let's remember. Me samaa taivasta katsotaan. Me, we, samaa taivasta. This is again the title of the song. The same sky, katsotaan. Me samaa taivasta katsotaan. We are looking at the same sky. Okay, and the next contestant is a guy who his artist name is Käärijä. 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 And to be honest, from when I was kind of doing a bit of research and reading some articles, this guy seems to be the fan favorite or the front runner. So his song has gotten the most hype in Finland so far at least. Chorus starts by saying pidän kaksin käsin kiinni juomista niinku. So pidän, I hold, kaksin käsin with two hands, with both hands. So kaksin, two, käsin, hands. So I'm holding on with two hands, I'm holding on with both hands. Kiinni is if you pitää kiinni is you're holding on to something. And juomista, his drink, niinku, like. So that translates to something like I'm holding on to the drinks with both my hands like, and then cha 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 cha. Ei, en mieti huomista, kun tartun tuopista niinku. No, en mieti, I don't think, huomista, of tomorrow. I don't think of tomorrow. Ku is short for kun tartun, ku, when tartun, I grab. Tuopista niinku, like a pint, like a large glass cup pint. So no, I'm not thinking about tomorrow when I grab onto the pint niinku, like cha 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 cha. Ei, haluun olla sekasin ja vapaa huolista niinku. Ei, no, haluun is the puhekieli of haluan, so I want, olla, to be, sekasin, crazy, messed up, ja, and vapaa huolista. So vapaa is to be free, huolista, worries, niinku like. So that sentence means, no, I want to be crazy, messed up, and free from worries like cha 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 cha. Ei, no. Ja mä jatkan, kunnes en enää pysy tuolissa niinku. Ja mä jatkan, and I continue. So mä is short for minä, I. Jatkan, I continue. The N at the end signifies that he's referring to himself. So it's jatkaa, to continue, in the me form. Minä jatkan, mä jatkan, I continue. Kunnes, until. En is the no form in the me form. It's no in the me form. En enää, I can't anymore. Pysy, stay. Tuolissa, in the chair. So tuoli is chair. Tuolissa is in the chair. Niinku, like. So, and I continue until I can't anymore stay in the chair, like. That's what that means. So it seems like this is about partying. The third song is called Ylivoimainen by the artist KUUMAA. So I already did a lyric translation about one of their other songs, which you can also check out. So they are actually performing in this UMK contest, And ylivoimainen, I would say it doesn't have an exact English translation. If something is ylivoimainen, it means it's above all else, it's overwhelmingly the best, something like that. You know, it's by far the best. If you say this song is ylivoimainen, you're kind of meaning, oh, this song is by far the best. Tää on ylivoimaisesti paras. This is by far the best. So it just kind of means that it is above everything else, above all else, overwhelmingly the best, something along the lines of that. The first line is, vaikka tää on loputon moottoritie. So vaikka means even though, tää, this, so tää is puhekieli for tämä, this, on, is, loputon means endless, moottoritie means highway. Moottori is a engine, tie, road. Engine, road, motorway, highway, okay? So even though this is an endless highway, mä tuun vaikka juosten, jos sun luo se vie. Mä tuun is puhekieli for minä tulen. I come. Vaikka, even, juosten, by running, jos, if, sun, which is short for sinun, to you. Sinun luo is like to where you are. Se, it, vie, takes me. Okay, split like that, it sounds weird, but altogether it means I will come even by running if it takes me to you. Tuun yli aidan ja portaiden. So tuun, again, short for tulen. I will come. So the N at the end signifies you're talking about yourself. So I will come. Yli aidan. Yli is over. Aidan is aita in the genitiivi form. So over the fence. Aita is fence. Yli aidan, over the fence. Ja, and portaiden. So a porras is a stair or step. Portaiden is in the plural form, so stairs or steps. So I will come over the fence and the stairs. Koska sä oot ylivoimainen. Koska, because, sä, which is short for sinä, you, oot, which is short for olet, which means you are, ylivoimainen, above everything else, above everyone else, above everything. So, because you are above all else, something like that. Ku ei oo mitään muuta enää kussa, when there is nothing else left but you. So, ku is short for kun, when, ei oo, short for ei ole, not to be, mitään, anything, muuta, else. Mitään muuta is anything else, nothing else. Enää, anymore, kun, except, but, sä, short for sinä, you. So when there is nothing else left but you, mul on hajalla kengät ja palaa sydän. Mul is short for mulla, so I have. On is hajalla. If something is hajalla, it means broken, or yeah. So if your kengät, your shoes, plural, if your shoes are hajalla, your kengät on hajalla, it means your shoes are broken or your shoes are tattered up. They're in pieces. They're broken. So I have broken shoes, or my shoes are in tatters. Ja, and palaa sydän. So palaa is to burn. Sydän is your heart. So, and my heart is burning. My heart's on fire. Sä oot ainoa merkki mun kartalle. So sä oot, sinä olet, you are. Ainoa means only. Merkki is a sign or symbol. Mun, short for minun, my. Kartalle, for my map. To my map. So you are the only symbol sign for my map or on my map. The last song is a song called Hoida Mut by the artist called Benjamin. So, this one is a bit of a saucy song. So Hoida Mut could be interpreted as do me. One way you can think of it is to take care. So hoita is to take care of something. Mut is me. But anyways, let's move on to the chorus. So again, I warned you it's a little saucy. So it says, the first line is Antaudun keholle sun. Antautua is to surrender, to give in. So antaudun keho. A keho is, a word for your body. Sun, you. So I'm surrendering to your body. The next line is ota mut just niin kuin sä tahdot. So ota mut is puhekieli for ota minut, take me. Just, niin kuin, like, sä tahdot, you want. Sinä tahdot, you want. Tahtoa is to want something. So take me just the way you want. Vie mut taivaaseen ja siitä ylöspäin. So vie minut. Take me. So viedä is to take. Taivaaseen means to heaven. So taivas is sky, but it can also refer to heaven. So taivaaseen is in this case meaning to heaven. Take me to heaven, ja siitä, and from there. Siitä is short for siitä, from there. Ylöspäin. Ylöspäin means higher or more up. So take me to heaven, and from there beyond, from there higher, more up. Hey baby, do what you gotta do. That's in English. Hoida mut. Do me. Take care of me. However you want to interpret it. So those are the 4 Finnish songs that are competing in this February's UMK song contest. And that, I guess, just about concludes this video. So kiitos paljon ja nähdään!